So I'm using the Dingo and the track came off. So I wasn't able to find a video on how to do it, so I figured it out and I figured I'd show you. So I'm gonna release the tension first by loosening up that nut right there. Once you get that bolt out of there, that locks this auger into place. I'm pointing that right here. Then you get a socket wrench with a half inch socket wrench, and that's going to slide right in the back of this auger there. Then you can loosen up the tension, assuming I'm going the right way. And once you get that loosened up in there, then you can go back up here and probably give this a tap with a maul a couple times just to slide this whole thing back to give yourself a little slack on there. Then we'll try to slide that tread back over the wheel, reverse the process. And there we go. With much swearing, the tread is back on. So now you reverse the torque wrench, get her back in that spot, and start tightening it back up, and you put the tension back on. Get it back to where it was before, and you can get back to work. Good luck. If you're in this situation, I know it's not fun.